Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you the best way to add emails to your list with Dataczar Connect. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to dataczar.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, but we do. We're going to click Login here. Let's get our username and our password. Okay, that takes us to Dashboard on the main menu. We'll get rid of that. We'll go full screen. And the best way to add emails to your list, first of all, is through your website. The other options is through the list button, which we'll cover in a moment. Let's click on the website button real quick. Now, these are all the editing tools. We're not going to use these, but I'm going to cover those at the end. Let's go ahead and tab over to our website. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is the home page. And if you scroll down on your website, every Dataczar website comes with a newsletter sign up. And the best way, because it has a double opt-in for deliverability, the best way is to have people sign up for your newsletter. And to get people to sign up for your newsletter, you can advertise through your social media. You can add keywords to your website. You can build a blog and just add a bunch of keywords to your website to increase your search engine optimization, or on your pages, make sure you have the keywords maybe on the first 30 words per page and that sort of thing. So remember that this has a double opt-in, and this is the first option for adding emails to your list, and this is where you're going to get the best deliverability. So let's go ahead and tab back over to connect to our Connect, and let's go to the list button. These are for the other two options for adding to your list. So first of all, let's click on the list button right here. Most people will only have one list. They'll have the default list here, and that's going to be marked as default. If you have more than one list and you want to add the emails to your other list, like we have a test list right here, we would click on the Manage button here, and then we'd click on the Settings, and then we'd make that our default by clicking here and click Update. And then we'll go back to our lists here, and you'll see now that our test list is our default list. So when we add the email subscribers, they're going to go to our test list. Like I said, most people, you have the default only, and you don't have to do that. But if you do have more than one list, make sure that default is checked on the list that you want to add to. So the second option is through this Quick Add Subscribers button. And what you do is you click in the box here, and then you add the emails like test1 at Dataczar.com, and then you can separate it by a space, or you can do a new line, test2 at Dataczar.com. So you just add the email addresses and just separate them by a comma, space, or new line, and then you click the Add Subscribers right here. And then the third option, we'll go back to list, is to upload a .csv file. So you click on the upload. You can either drop it in, or you can click on here to import it from your computer. So we're going to click on this test list right here, and we added it in, and then we just click on Start Import. Normally it does have a header row, and you'd click that, and then you click Start Import. Let's go back to lists here, and let's go back to the website real quick. And just remember, for deliverability, because there is a double opt-in, we encourage you to use the newsletter sign up to get people to sign up for your list. Because when they sign up for your newsletter, they're going to automatically be added to your list in Connect. So if you go to the list button, your subscribers will be down here. And one other thing, I mentioned the website button here. These are all the editing tools for building your website: post, pages, templates, appearance, and settings. If you go to the Help button on the main menu, there's the Help Center here. There's some really good information there. There's also the feature tutorial videos. We encourage you, if you're just getting started, to watch this first tutorial, How to Start Building Your Website 3rd edition. That's a good place to start. It's going to give you a lot of good information. So let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's the best way to add emails to your list at Dataczar Connect.